So this joint right here, excuse me, it's called Remember Me Memories. It's basically like your last dying wish to your friends and family, your loved ones, your circle. And lyrics are dope, definitely relatable. It's one of my favorite projects I'm on right now, so check it out. Yeah, I grew up through the struggle, nigga. QB, they all wanna fumble, nigga. Trouble, nigga. Always in trouble, nigga. Let's get ready to rumble, nigga. This bundle's got a double, nigga. Kept my circle tight like huddles. Knowledge is power. My circle's there to catch me when I stumble. The less time you get, the more time gets doubled. Built my castle out this rubble. No more kicking rocks and puddles. It's funny how life knows when it humbles. You better watch out. Here comes the bigger D. Squares are the enemy. You know my circle anywhere. Oddly where the winners be. Walk a mile in my shoes, you can't have 10 to feed. Weak in jail, you was weak before you left the streets. Fuck your tendencies, this epiphany was hitting me, was bittersweet. When I realized that karma's been a bitch to me, please wipe your tears from your cheeks when I'm gone. Just remember the words of this song. Remember what's right and what's wrong. Don't forget to make mistakes can make you break and make you strong. Remember that your word is your bond. Don't forget about the streets where you from. Remember that friends, they move on, but the ones who stand the test of time, remember to keep their memory living on. Yeah, pride keep me grounded. Nigga, my integrity is soundness. Lost track of time, please tell me if you found it. I don't hate fake niggas, just can't stand to be around them. I know a teller. When I see one, you better sniff out the rats way before police come. I pray for my enemies till the day I need none. Alaska's got some real niggas, I just pray they free some. Life is devastating. Out the ashes, invigorating. Life's mishaps reiterating. I'm a savage with the hunger painting. No utensils for this dinner plating. Food for thought is all that I'm insinuating. The occurrence of beauty and ugliness are random. So search his heart for them answers. Give him respect if he demands some. Please wipe your tears from your cheeks when I'm gone. Just remember the words of this song. Remember what's right and what's wrong. Don't forget to make mistakes can make you break or make you strong. Remember that your word is your bond. Don't forget about the streets where you're from. Remember that friends, they move on, but the ones who stand the test of time, remember to keep their memory living on. Mike Savage, you know what time it is, repping that AK, Alaska for y'all niggas that don't know. That's what we doing out here, baby. There is some real niggas out here spitting that heat, you feel me? So, appreciate all y'all. Please stay tuned in. Come back next week for Savage Sundays, every Sunday, right here. Wet.
I got gang, none came from you. Got AK, make it rain on you. I get fake like backboards do. She comes with me, give her back to you. Underarm, Steph Curry shoes. I'm in your face, what would Curry do? Wake up my dreams, dream come true. What the fuck you think my team gon' do?